Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install iZotope RX elements for dialog cleanup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official iZotope website. Navigate to the RX Elements product page. Select the option to purchase or download the software. Complete the transaction or registration as required. Once you have completed the download, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to agree to the license agreement. Choose the installation location or leave it as the default. Click Install to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. Open RX Elements by locating it in your Applications folder or your desktop. Upon first launch, you may need to enter your iZotope account credentials. If prompted, input your activation code, which you received during your purchase. Complete the activation process to unlock the full features of RX Elements. After activation, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Start by importing an audio file that requires dialog cleanup. Explore the various tools available for noise reduction, repair, and enhancement. Select the appropriate tool for the specific issue in your audio. Apply the recommended settings for optimal results. Preview the changes to ensure satisfactory cleanup. When satisfied, export the cleaned audio file to your desired format. Close the application when you have finished your work. Remember to check for updates periodically to ensure you have the latest features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.